Hi guys, I wanted to give you some ideas. The Dollar Tree has chalkboard tags, 6 pieces, and they're perfectly round, cute little tags here, and they're really heavy stock. So there's a lot of people that say they don't put up a tree because they can't afford decorations and so forth. If you have a smaller tree, or even if you make one, and I'm not going to decorate them today, I'm going to do it, and I promise to put them up back to back. I'll probably do them during the daylight hours tomorrow. My lighting is really bad right now for some reason. I've been gone for 2 weeks, so I need to readjust everything in here. Anyway, this is an idea. You can easily pull this string out and put it back in. Sorry. And I had some of these in my stash, so I decided this is what I'm doing. See, they already have a little eyelet in here that protects the hole. You can trace it onto paper, Christmas paper, some leftover gift wrap, anything you have that looks Christmassy or wintry or goes with a color theme you want to use. You can draw on them, you can paint on them, you could use chalk paint on them, you can use regular chalk on them, and then seal them with, if you don't have anything else, seal them with clear nail polish. It will work. Yeah, this is an excellent idea on ways to make decorations for a small tree. I had a friend in Virginia one year that actually cut out circles, and she painted them all red and green, and then she just put glitter on them. She went out in the yard and got a tree branch, brought it in, and wrapped green silk fabric around it. I'm going to tell you, that was the most beautiful decoration. And then she hung white lights from the dollar store on them. And, you know, it wasn't her tree, but it was a decoration she made. And it was absolutely stunning. So, you know, use your imagination. I want to see some more of you put up videos showing how you turn these little 6 pieces of chalkboard tags from the Dollar Tree into Christmas ornaments. And I'm challenging you to do it. If you don't have these at your Dollar Tree, cut some out of poster boards, cereal boxes, whatever. But this is a bust your stash challenge. How many boxes have you got sitting over there in a big old box that you're going to use to make a journal cover with, tags, anything? It's the end of the year. Get rid of that box. Bust that stash. Turn them into Christmas ornaments. And I want to see your videos. And if you don't put up videos, go to Kathy's World and Friends on Facebook and post your pictures in there. Because I am challenging you. And I don't, you know, I want it done as simple and as beautiful as possible, the cheapest way you can, to show those on limited income how they can create beautiful works of art to decorate instead of sitting around being depressed and sad because they can't. I'm thinking now, if you go to the Dollar Tree, alright, let's say 5 packs will be $5. Buy these in 1 week or 1 month. Well, you don't have many months left. Okay, $5 for these, and then use up your stash of papers, anything you have. If you have any green food coloring or red food coloring or anything that you can tint book pages with, tint the book pages and decorate it. I'm sorry. I'm very busy tonight. Anyway, just show me how you do it. And I'm going to put a video up tomorrow that shows you how I'm doing it. And I hope y'all will play along and do it too. Cheap, inexpensive decorations. And tell me at the end of your video How much did you spend to make those decorations? You could turn it into a garland if you wanted to. You know, just string them together or put a ribbon between them so that they will just hang out. But it has to be cheap. It can't be, you know, you can use things you already have, but keep in mind those who have nothing and make them according to that. Or those that have very limited supplies. I am going to do my best to try it with music note paper and music pages and book pages and I'm sorry guys, I'm going to have to end this video. I have to return this phone call because they're going to keep calling. Anyway, yeah, let's see what you make. And I will make some, you know, with economical means and others. So I have I think I have 5 packs of them, actually. 2, 3, 4, 5 packs of them. So bust your stash. Let's see what you can make. Christmas tree decorations. Okay, I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.